नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की 125वीं जयंती के अवसर पर एक भव्य डिजिटल प्रतिमा का अनावरण किया गया। इंडिया गेट की छत्रछाया में होलोग्राम की प्रतिमा स्थापित की गई। उद्घाटन समारोह को प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह ने संबोधित किया। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि नेताजी की प्रतिमा लोकतांत्रिक मूल्य और आने वाली पीढ़ियों को प्रेरित करेगी।
I pointed out that you mentioned that he was actually my grand uncle. My father was Shishir Kumar Bose, who drove Netaji during the escape from Calcutta in January of 1941. And I pointed out that when he reached Peshawar, the man who received him was Mia Akbar Shah, a freedom fighter from the Northwest Frontier province. Later, when he travelled by submarine for 3 months from Europe to Asia in 1943, his only Indian companion was Abid Hassan, a Muslim from Hyderabad, Deccan. When he raised the Azad Hind Fauj, his first division, which fought in Imphal and Kohima, was commanded by Muhammad Zaman Kiani. On his last final flight, when he died as a consequence of the tragic crash, his only Indian companion was a man called Habibur Rahman. And when 3 of his INA officers were put on trial by the British at the Red Fort in November 1945, they were Shahnawaz Khan, a Muslim, Prem Kumar Saigal, a Hindu, and Gurbakh Singh Dhillon, a Sikh. And there was a slogan that was raised in those days, which was Lal Kile se aaye awaaz, Saigal, Dhillon, Shahnawaz. That is the kind of spirit of unity that we have to rekindle in our country today. And if there are those who don't believe in Netaji's ideology in that respect, have no right to be claiming Netaji, Subash Chandra Bose. And he was also committed to the working classes, the peasants and the workers, the depressed classes as they were called before independence. These are scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and women. He said these 3 communities were neglected, they have to be empowered. So anybody saying that we want to follow Netaji's ideals should in fact be doing all of these things that were so dear to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.